kind of like a random update video because this is the first time I got my own real camcorder. This time it's a real camcorder. It's a VHS camcorder I got recently. And it's kind of like a bad news video because this one, I remember it probably could not eject the VHS tape. I just kind of knew it would not eject. Yep. And because the VHS tape was inside. Hard to see. I can tell the VHS tape is inside. That's what a VHS looked like. Well, I got a white cut tape. This is the VHS camcorder. And for some reason it doesn't even work. And it doesn't, I guess the only reasons why it's not working, I think the belt was kind of broke off, I think. Maybe couldn't, or maybe... Wait a minute. The screen, you can see the screen. Yeah, I can hear the... Oh, I can see the... Now I can see the screen. Yeah. It's not even working. Yeah, I can hear that. Turn off. There we go, I just turn off. Yeah, it cannot be able to eject the tape. That's kind of like a random bad news video. Let's see if I could try to fix this thing. If I could try to get a tape, or try to get a tape out and not using it. So yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty. This is an RCA camcorder. I wasn't sure if this camcorder can play on any of other VHS tapes. The one that plays normal VHS tapes, like this one, or recorded tapes like that record off from TV instead of just home movies. Besides home movies and stuff like that. So yeah, the model number. I don't know what the model number is. I think it's CMR300, I think. I just got this recently. So yeah. It's not even ejecting. I have to see if I could try to fix it or something. I don't know, but I might, but mostly when if I couldn't fix it, before I have to get rid of that, I got to get a VHS tape out before I'll have to get rid of this. If I fail to fix it, that is. If I fix it, and if it works, I'm still gonna use that. I can still I'll keep it. So yeah. So yeah, that's kind of the only bad news really. You can hear the buzzing. It doesn't even play for some. This thing, VHS camcorder, does not really work for some reason. This is a VHS camcorder, VHS high quality. I wonder if it shows speeds. I didn't check if there's any speeds. Display view on. So yeah, see if it shows the screen on the camera. Yeah, you hear that. Oh, it shows the date. Which it's not 1986 anymore. I guess this was made in the 80s. I think this. Yeah. Yeah, you hear that weird buzz. I think it's something stuck. I'm not sure if the belt got broken, fell off, or maybe the belt got broken inside. I don't know. If it broke, I might replace with a different one or a new belt or something. But I don't know. See if I could try to figure it out to fix it. So yeah, I think that's all I gotta say for this video. It's kind of like a random bad news video. So yeah, thanks for watching.